Now you may recall having a spirograph as a child, and you can make your own spirograph with Mathematica and these parametric equations. So they're a little complicated. X equals all of this, y equals all of this, and we have three numbers which are unknown, a, b, and p, for the equations, and we can choose any values we like for those. And here we've made a demonstration where SPI ABP T1 T2 graphs the corresponding parametric curve for our chosen values of A, B, and P, and the values of T running from T1 to T2. So here I'm going to choose A equals something like, say, 15 over 7, B equals 1, and P equals 1/2. And I'm just going to see what happens. I'm going to let the T run from 0 to 20 pi. And I'm going to change my window here to a smaller square running from, say, -3 to 3. And the y value is running from -3 to 3 also. And now you see I get something very like those spirograph etchings that I made as a kid. And I can change the value of p. Let me change the value of p to 1/4, and let's see what happens. Well, now I get a lot more lines. It looks like this. And now let me change the value of a to something like 11 over 7 and see what happens. And you can continue doing this. We can make b equals 3 here. We see our graph gets bigger, and we see we get this very interesting design. Perhaps if we let the t go further here, maybe to 50 pi, we'll get more of this graph. And you see this is working its way around the circle to eventually give us our spirograph.